everyone, today I'm going to be making cinnamon donut hole bliss balls. So bliss balls are great because you can make them with the kids. They're super easy and convenient and great for when you're on the go. So today I'm going to be using the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got some almond meal and some ABC nut butter. So that's almond, Brazil nut and cashew. However, you could use any nut butter of your choice. I've got some cinnamon, a pinch of salt, some maple syrup and some coconut sugar to roll the bliss balls into. So this is great because I don't need to use a food processor or any utensils really. I'm just going to add everything into a bowl and mix it all together until everything's nice and combined, and then roll them into balls, and then I will cover in coconut sugar to finish.